What's up, guys? Come with me to the hair salon. Your girl has to turn into a baddie. So I was sent this wig from Alipearl Hair, and your girl is going platinum for the first time ever. Now, I was afraid of this color, y'all. I don't know. I was so scared, so scared. But baby, she is giving. So this wig is a 24-inch blonde highlight. It has a 13 by 4 HD lace frontal, and it is 200% density with a small cap. Girl. So I had to go over to Foreign Stylez to get my hair together. She takes care of my natural hair and installs my wigs. Now, as far as my natural hair, you guys know that I dyed my hair blonde. The blonde is growing out, you guys. I'm about to grow my hair back natural because the blonde did break my hair off. But look at my hair, it's flourishing. You know, she's growing. You know, we're working on her. But let's go ahead and get into putting on the wig because we have to have protective styles as a black girl, okay? right, guys, so we are complete. My hair slays, my style is slayed, the wig is laid, it's sitting. I love it. Love the length, love the density, love the flatness, love the color. Like, I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10. I've been getting so many compliments, you guys. Like, I did the no baby hair look. Right now, I feel like, okay, what would the baby hairs look like? But we're gonna have to do that later. But it's sitting. Let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comment section. Rate this wig below. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Y'all might gotta try this color. All the links will be in the description box, you guys. Yeah, she's a baddie. We're a baddie now. We're back. We're back. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Back in that bag again.